Hello, wonderful people. So I was going to just do a regular flip through on this with the music, but I think I want to just talk about this particular book a little bit. First of all, I got this at Barnes and Noble, the actual store. It was only $8, and it's a thick book. There's a lot to this book. And like some of the Korean books that I have been flipping through, and I just did a voiceover on one, you will see, well, these are all the thumbnails, so let me just show you this. The thing I like about this book and the other ones, especially if you're a beginner, you get a finished copy of the book. And I think these are from some illustrated vintage type books, because some of them look familiar to me. The thing I really love is, to give you an example, this flower. Look at all the different variations in this flower. If I were coloring this, I would not do it that way, because I'm not really new, but I'm not as seasoned as some people are. But you have to learn how to color and visualize, and this is another great example. So I would love to do some color alongs in this book. So please leave a note in the comments. Tell me if that's something you'd like to see, because these are really beautiful. I would even, if I was really happy with it, you could frame these. I think they would be easy to remove. And I mean, all the pictures are beautiful. They look quite simple when they're not colored, but look what you could do with it. So I'm just going to keep flipping along here. I mean, that's beautiful. A lilac. And I like that it has pretty much what it is. I mean, like, even the fish is nice. Something that I wouldn't normally just pick out to do, but for practicing purposes, I mean, look at the colors on the fish. You have like that pinky, then the yellow going into like a greeny bluish color. So again, great learning. I'm all for these kind of books just for that aspect. Those are beautiful too. Isn't he gorgeous? Again, the fish. I have no idea what those are supposed to be. Teeth? I'm not sure. Tiger lily, beautiful. Butterflies, I always love butterflies. And birds. Pretty rose. So nice to do the bird with the blues. It was so pretty. More fishies. I like the muted colors, I must say. Okay, so without boring you to tears, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop talking at this point, and I'm going to put music on for the rest. But please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of these type of books. And if you want me to do a color along, that would be great, I think. So just let me know, guys, okay? Thanks.